Einstein was not an inventor, but his work led to many important advances. What if Einstein was never born? Do we still add solar panels, lasers, GPS and digital camera? Do we still live the same life? Let's find out. Einstein got the Nobel Prize for working on the law of photoelectric effect. That refers to a phenomenon in which when light shined with enough energy on a certain material, triggers the emission of electrons. Einstein explained how the light behaved like particles of energy, like photons, instead of waves. Where the light particles carry enough energy to a metal surface to produce the previously unexplained photoelectric effect. The principle is the key to solar cells in making of solar panels. Similarly, the digital cameras can only take pictures because they contain sensors which convert light into electricity. This principle too can be traced back to Einstein's explanation of photoelectric effect. Not only this, the mechanism helped in making a wide range of modern electronics, such as the on and off of street lights during nightfall, the method that prevents elevator door from closing when there is someone in the way, the devices that control printer toners, and other electronic devices all work on Einstein's theory of photoelectric effect. Whenever you are using Google Maps while driving or using Uber, you should thank Albert Einstein. If it were not the application of his general and special theory of relativity, the GPS system would not have worked correctly. For example, Einstein in his special theory of relativity says, when you travel faster, the time for you slows down. The GPS satellites orbiting the Earth traveling at a speed of 8,700 miles per hour. This is not a great speed compared to light, but still at that speed, the time for satellites ticks slower compared to the stationary objects on Earth. Due to this, time difference occurs in clocks in satellites and the clocks on Earth. If this difference of even a millisecond is not rectified, our position on maps shown by GPS would be inaccurate, and there would be error of miles in our actual position and the position shown by the GPS. A year after discovering the general relativity, Albert Einstein published his theory of stimulated emission. Decades later, scientists developed devices based on what Einstein has described. They called them lasers, an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Today, lasers are used almost in every field. Einstein theories not only resulted in new inventions and developments, but his equations also used in financial market. He developed the fluctuation dissipation theorem to explain the random movements that was observed in particles found in gas and liquid. The movement is called Brownian motion, first observed by Robert Brown. Since 1970, when the similarities between this movement and the movement in the stock market was observed, Einstein's equations have been used in the Wall Street. Einstein's famous E is equal to mc square, which shows the relation between energy and mass, led to the development of atomic energy and nuclear bombs. But Einstein was not involved in the development of nuclear bombs. It is like if E is equal to mc square tells you about atom bombs, so the Newton's law tells you about ballistic missiles. However, in 1938, Einstein signed a letter which was originally written by physicist Dr. Leo Szilard. The letter was sent to the President Franklin Roosevelt. In the letter, it was mentioned that the Germans might be working on atom bomb. Therefore, it urged the President to consider a nuclear program for the United States. Beside these discoveries and inventions which directly affect our lives, Einstein's work helped us to understand the mysteries of the universe and how it works. Einstein theories told us about what is gravity, speed of light, wormholes, time travel, black holes, dark matter, gravitational waves, and many other things. In fact, we are still discovering new things from his theories. We can assume if Einstein was never born, the world would have been far backward than it is today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.